Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the brand new Xiaomi MIJIA Wireless Earbuds. A feature-packed Bluetooth headset perfect for music, gaming, office work, and outdoor activities. These earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.3 for faster and more stable connections, and support dual connection, so you can easily switch between devices. They feature a dynamic HiFi stereo sound with deep bass subwoofer performance, and sound isolation technology that blocks outside noise for a better listening experience. The earbuds are lightweight, made from PVC and plastic materials, and the earpads are soft silicone for long hours of comfortable use. Plus, they support built-in voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, making hands-free control super easy. Other great features include volume control buttons, and a Type-C charging port for fast charging. The frequency response range is from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, with a sensitivity of 43 decibels and an impedance up to 32 ohms, making them perfect for hi-fi audio lovers. Inside the package, you get two earbuds, a charging case, a Type-C charging cable, an instruction manual, and a carrying bag. And yes, they are wireless, stylish, CE certified, and designed by MIJIA, a trusted name from Xiaomi. If you're looking for premium performance at an affordable price, these earbuds are a fantastic choice. Ready to get yours? Buy now from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next video.